Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I receive a lot of free things in the mail. So sometimes I don't get an opportunity to make videos and talk about those different products. But this is one that I've been using for a while. This is the Garnier Fructis, and this is the Soothing Facial Mist. And this one is very healthy. It is made without parabens, silicones, and dyes. And I've done previous skincare for Garnier, but I've never done one for the facial mist, and I don't know what took me so long, but I do have the time now to show you guys. This one is just pretty simple. So this one is made with rose water, and it smells really, really, really good. And what I use it as, sometimes I use it as a setting spray. And for me, I get hot very easily. It is so hot here down in the South. So when I have a moment where I just need to refresh and feel rejuvenated quickly, I just go ahead and I just take this with me to work. Or if I go to the park or somewhere like that, and then I'll just spray my face a few times, and it automatically works. Now, what you have to remember is this is a mist. This is not a moisturizer. It's literally going to dry as soon as it touches your skin. So I just want to show you guys how I mist every day. So this is best suitable for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, this will definitely work. Now, I normally get oily in the T-zone areas. So no matter what I use, you are gonna kind of notice that mine might look a little shinier than some of the other product reviews you've seen on this particular product here. But this doesn't really bother me at all, especially with me being like 5 months pregnant. It helps a lot. Now, the thing that is so cool about this is that, like I said, you can spray right after you come out of the shower, or you can spray it after you've applied makeup, or you can spray it after you've taken your makeup off. So it's pretty much like an anytime sort of thing. So it's not going to affect your makeup. It's just pretty much just going to work as like a setting spray, and it smells really good, and it's not overpowering. So if you guys are interested in trying the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Mist, I'll have the information for it down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. And if you have had this product and you've tried it, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Well guys, until then, you already know I'll see you on Wednesdays with my freebies and wins videos. And you guys have a great day. Bye.